everybody, Zach Hutton from Clarks Landing Yacht Sales. Have you ever thought to yourself, boy, I wish I could get invited to an open house event this week? Well, lucky for you, you can. At our Shady Side, Maryland location, we're doing an Independence Week open house event premiering 4 new Beneteau models. We have the GT41, the GT45, the Flyer 9 SPACEdeck, and the Flyer 9 Sun Deck, all together in one place. Now, this is the only event in the U.S. where all 4 of these brand new models will be at the same place at the same time. It's an open house event, and I'm inviting you and you over there too. Okay, no, not you, just you, to the open house event this upcoming week. All details are posted with this video. Now, you'll want to pre-register today because all pre-registered attendees will be entered to win a free Beneteau paddleboard, which is awesome, bro. So I'll see you there. I'm Zach Hutton with Clarks Landing Yacht Sales. See you in Maryland, everybody.